Now let us discuss how should we use the ruler. Some problems may arise if we don't use the rulers correctly. What is that? First of all, we have to avoid using the ends. See, the end is already rounded, this end also rounded, and it is quite obvious in case of these plastic scales. Sometimes some part of the ends comes out, some chips, very little part of it comes out. So we should avoid using the ends. You can see the markings are little inside. This side also marking is little inside. They have also avoided the edge, the end. If you use the metal scale, you won't have that type of problem, but still they have started little inside and they have ended at so far this side also. Try to avoid using the ends. Avoid using the ends. Next thing, if you wish to measure, so this is the duster. If you wish to measure the edge, the length of the edge, what you have to do? You have to place the scale on it to measure the length. How to place? Absolutely, these two edges, the edge of the scale and edge of the duster, must be coincided. There should not be any gap like this. There is a gap. This gap is bigger. This gap is smaller. Don't place the scale this way, slanted. Absolutely through the edges. These two edges must be coincided. Or if you wish to maintain a gap, the gaps must be equal everywhere. This is called placing the ruler parallelly with the edge which we want to measure. So the next point is placing the ruler correctly. This is the second point we need to remember. The third point, suppose there is a line, there is a straight line, and we want to watch this point. This point is 6 in my drawing. This point is at 6. If you have to watch it correctly, you have to watch from the top, right at top. You should not watch from left side or from right side. If you follow the tip of my pen, you can understand. If you watch it from the right side, you might be somewhere left to 6. If you watch it from left side, you might be somewhere at the right of 6. Suppose at the right of 6 here. This point is actually 6.4 centimeter. If you watch from left, you may reach somewhere here. This point is 5.8, you can see 5.8 centimeter. Both these are error, whereas the correct reading was 6 centimeter. These two errors due to wrong positioning of eye is called parallax error. So positioning of eye must be correct. Positioning of eye should be correct. Means absolutely vertical. This must be vertical. Vertical means absolutely straight, not from left, not from right.